Yeah, we'll just say team T. So I'm gonna say yeah, today's lesson is all about recording vocals in FL Studio, because someone say iwe wangu unorecorda same in FL Studio. I know FL Studio needs a recorder, but it's all about kujaira kwako. See, so today I just want to show how to record Zimdancehall vocals in FL Studio 20. First, when you download the Cubase 20, then I don't know what the interface you use. You come here, Windows audio settings, then we select interface yako yokushandisa to record my vocals ako. As for me, I'm using Focusrite USB 0. You see, then over select that select angusheka. You see, then over pana. It just is. Then you go my files ako, then which I got beat ako record. As for me, I have this. Let me put it this way. Yeah, do bit lang record my focus sound. You see, then you drag it and put it. But don't forget, when you record it, chaga tempo a bit most of the time, because it all got the materials are fitting on tempo, so you can easily dictate tempo. But as for me, don't go to tempo because I make this beat is the one, So the tempo is 100. Let's see what but yeah, tempo is 100. Then when I go channel settings here, so when you record the FL Studio, you don't want to record per master here. So record up. So you come here and select your mic input, then you name this lead vox or whatever you want to name it. See, up on. Then over we are up, but mix the input here. We select mic here. This for me, I already selected young part channel 2. See, go for select all your over to here. You can set the metronome or whatever. You see, then come here and record. Let me try record. Yeah, we just say. Yeah, you see, what to let me try. I do not talk about. You see, you record it. That is all what you need. So if you like the video, just comment, share. This sakanga no subscribe channel. Won't just I can try. I'm not that pro, but I can try to show you if you are an upcoming producer or artist who knows record. See, that is all. Thanks.